Hello friends, today we will learn the numericals on effect of temperature on resistance under the course Fundamental of Electrical Engineering. Myself is Mr. J.M. Patil, Senior Lecturer, Electrical Engineering Department in KK Polytechnic, Nasik. Now, before we discuss the numericals on effect of temperature, let us know the concept of effect of temperature on resistance, particularly of conducting material. All of us know that the conducting material are those materials which offer very low opposition to the flow of electrons through it, that is the flow of current through it. Now, if the temperature is increased for such type of materials, that is conducting materials, then their resistance also increases with increase in the temperature. This increase in resistance is large and it is fairly regular for normal ranges of temperature. Normal ranges of temperature is that range in which the conducting material are used in various type of electrical equipment or electrical machines. How the graph will look like for the pure metals which are conducting. This graph shows a straight line and the graph is between the two parameter, that is temperature on x axis and resistance on y axis. This graph shows that at 0 degree centigrade the resistance of that conducting material is R 0. When temperature rise to T degree centigrade, the resistance of same conducting material is R T. It is a straight line. The slope of this line will give us a constant, and that constant is being termed as the temperature coefficient of resistance, which is the crucial factor in solving the numerical on effect of temperature on resistance. So, we will see that factor in details. So, the temperature coefficient of resistance, how it is defined? It is defined as the increasing resistance per ohm original resistance per degree rise in temperature. Is whatever the increasing resistance has take place, that increase if we divide by its original resistance, again divide that factor by the percentage rise in temperature. If we take the reference temperature as the 0 degree centigrade and the temperature by which the conducting material is subjected to T, then this alpha 0 can be written mathematically as equal to R T minus R 0 divide by R 0 and small t. What are these terms? Alpha 0 we already define as temperature coefficient of resistance at 0 degree centigrade. What is R T? R T is the resistance at T degree centigrade and R 0 is the resistance at 0 degree centigrade and T is the temperature in degree centigrade. If we multiply this equation, that is cross multiplication, then we will get the equation for R T. So, R T will be equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus T into alpha 0. This is the most important equation in solving the numerical related to effect of temperature on resistance of conducting materials. So, R T will depend on here two factor we see, the resistance at 0 degree centigrade and second factor is the alpha 0, that is temperature coefficient of resistance at 0 degree centigrade. How this equation is used to solve the numericals, that now we will study. The first numerical we are taking, the statement of that numerical is a coil has a resistance of 3.146 ohm at temperature of 40 degree centigrade and 3.76 ohm at 100 degree centigrade. Find the resistance of coil at 0 degree centigrade. Means we have been given the two temperature and corresponding resistance of the coil and we are asked to find out the resistance of same coil at 0 degree centigrade. we know that the resistance of coil at T degree centigrade will be given by that we have just seen that R T is equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus T into alpha 0. This equation we can write for two different temperatures that is given in the problem statement. First is the 100 degree centigrade. So, how that equation will becomes R 100 will be equal to 3.767, this value is already given, will be equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus 100 alpha 0. So, we will call that equation as number 1. We can write the similar equation for our another temperature, that is 40 degree centigrade. So, the equation will look like R 40 equal to 3.146 equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus 40 alpha 0, and that will be our equation number 2. Now, take the ratio of these two equations, then mathematically we can write on LHS as 3.767 divided by 3.146 will be equal to on RHS 1 plus 100 alpha 0 divided by 1 plus 40 alpha 0, because R 0 will cancel out here. Solving this particular ratio by cross multiplication, we get alpha 0 as equal to 0.00379 per degree centigrade. Now, this is the value of alpha 0, but as we have asked to find out the resistance at 0 degree centigrade, so we will again use the equation number 1, substitute the value of alpha 0 in equation number 1. That equation will now become 3.767 equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus 100 into 0.00379. Solving this for R 0, we get the value of R 0 as 2.732 ohm. So, that is the value of the resistance of coil at 0 degree centigrade. In solving this numerical, we have used the equation of R T equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus T alpha 0. Again, we will take one more numericals. The numericals statement is a field winding of a DC machine has a resistance of 220 ohm at 25 degree centigrade. Find the resistance of the same winding at 0 degree centigrade, at 50 degree centigrade, and take alpha 0 at 0.004 for degree centigrade. It means that here we have been given alpha 0 and two resistances are given here. So, two resistances we have to calculate, one resistance corresponding temperature also given. So, R 1 here is the resistance of the coil at 25 degree centigrade, that is T 1 is 25 degree centigrade, corresponding resistance is 220 ohm, T 2 50 degree centigrade, alpha 0 is also given 0.004 degree centigrade. So, we have to again use that same equation, that is R T equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus T into alpha 0. Now, put the value of the equations and rewrite as R 0 equal to, so R 0 equal to R 1, because T will now replace by R 1, the resistance at T 1 degree centigrade, and R 1 has to be divided by 1 plus alpha 0 T 1. Put the respective value of the parameters. R 1 is 220 ohm, alpha 0 is 0.004, T 1 is 25 degree centigrade. Now, this equation, solving it for R 0, we get the resistance at 0 degree centigrade as 200 ohm. In addition of that R 0, we have to also calculate the resistance at another temperature, that is T 250 degree centigrade. Call the value of that resistance as R 2, that is resistance at 50 degree centigrade. Again use the similar equation that we have written previously, that is R T equal to R 0 in bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. Now, here T will be replaced by 2, then R 0 will just we have calculated, alpha 0 we already know, T 2 is also given. Put the values of all parameters and get the product. Our answer will be R 2 equal to 240 ohm. In this way, we can calculate the value of resistance at different temperatures, or we can also calculate the value of alpha 0 if we know the value of RT and R0 by experiencing these two numericals on your own. Again solving it on your own, I am sure that you will definitely understood the problem solving on temperature coefficient of resistance and effect of temperature on resistance. With this we will conclude today's lectures. Thank you.